Alright, this is DM, and this is my first YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your PS3 Super Slim 12GB edition. Alright, so a few things you're going to need for this. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver with a small tip. You're going to need a mounting bracket for the PS3. You can get these on Amazon for real cheap. You're going to need your upgrade hard drive, or SSD if you're going to use that instead, and then the PS3 itself. Now once you get started, you're going to make sure that this is not plugged in. You do not want to do this while it's plugged in at all. That is a bad idea. So what you're going to do is find the side panel right here that does not have the PlayStation logo on it, so the one on the right hand side if you're facing from the front. And you're going to just carefully slide this whole panel towards the back of the device, just like that, and it'll pop right off, just like that. And you'll see in the 12GB version only that there is no hard drive in this bay. If you have any higher capacity version, there will already be a hard drive in here. So, you're going to take your mounting bracket, it's just like that. This one happens to be black, but I know that most of them will be gray. And now take your hard drive, or SSD, and you're going to align the bottom 4 holes with the bottom holes in the bracket. And just slide it right in there. And you can see that the SATA connectors are facing towards the back. So once you've done that, you're going to take your screws and you're just going to screw it in from the bottom. Make sure the holes are aligned. So once you've screwed all the flat-headed screws into the bottom 4 holes, you should have 1 screw left over. That's different from the other ones. And I know sometimes this little screw will be blue, but what you want to do is take your PS3 and find the bay, and you're just going to slide it right in. It'll just kind of snap into place so it won't go anymore. And there's this little flap at the top with a hole that you'll see. And you're going to take that screw and just screw it into that hole to secure it in place. See right there? So after you secured that screw in place, you're going to take your panel again. I'm just going to put it right back on in the reverse way you took it off. So just slide it towards the front. And just snap in. And that's pretty much it. So once you are done, you're going to turn your device on for the first time, and then you will be prompted to move all your data over from the 12 gigs of flash storage that's already on the device. It's very easy. It'll just move all the data on your 12 gigs over to the hard drive, and your hard drive will become the primary storage for the PS3, and the 12 gigs, or the 12 gig flash memory will be disabled. So once you've done that, you'll be able to store a lot more games, movies, whatever you like to do on your PS3. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.